Hey everyone, my name is Akaya. I am a hairstylist. I am located in Dallas, Georgia. In this video, I'll be showing you how I am going to be retwisting my client's hair, and I'll be doing some single plait braids on her. I know a lot of people always get two-strand twist, but we just wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit and go ahead and do some plait braids. When I can truly say the thing about doing the braids is you get a beautiful, beautiful crinkle look at the end. So you can be able to wear your hair like this for maybe about a good 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, and then take them down. And when I say you have the beautifulest curl ever, and those curls last for a very, very long time. So I'm telling you guys, if you are trying to find a good style to be able to do with your braid, your actual locks, try braids. Like I said, a lot of people don't do braids, but I'm telling you, you most definitely will love it. I am using aloe vera gel, oil, and water, and a orange essential oil. That is what I am retwisting my client's hair with. What I do is usually give them the option of two different essential oils. I gave her the option of eucalyptic or orange, and she chose orange. When I say it's smelling so good, that's the thing about when you add the essential oils. Not only are you getting the benefits from the aloe vera gel, you also getting the benefits from the essential oil as well. But again, guys, I am just braiding her hair. We are doing her actual locks are kind of on the thinner side. So that is kind of, we're just doing we're using 3 strands and we're just doing the braids. So it all depends on how thick or thin your actual locks are, how many braids you'll wind up having. But what you can do though, if you want, you can always double up and use like 6 actual locks versus me how I'm using the 3. But again, it's all up to you. But when I say it is so nice to be able to do a style when you are getting your hair retwisted, because it makes the retwist last so much longer. Now, the thing, guys, about doing braids, like this, it's a little different than doing two-strand twist. You got to make sure you go ahead and section out the actual 3 strands. And like I said, if you use 6, 7, 8, whatever, but you need to get a nice braided base. Like you want to make sure the parts are nice and clean. Once you get those parts together, you're going to go in and you're going to give it a good brush. And like I said, I use aloe vera gel, oil, and water. That's what I'll be using on her hair. You see, I use the water and oil. When I say I love that mixture, and then I am using the oil on her hair as well. I like to always use that mixture. And now what I'm about to do, guys, is I have, again, 3 locks. I'll be separating them. I'm going to be retwisting them first. And then once I get them all 3 retwisted, I'll go in and then I'll do the actual braid. This little brush that I have, I love using this brush. It's a little bit bigger than the edge brush. When I say, guys, when you have locks and you use the brush on the roots, it is so good. You also can use a brush on the actual lock itself. To me, I like to use it. It keeps the fuzz down. And if you have any lint at the base, it helps to keep that lint out of your locks. So again, guys, I'm just going to show you. I work on each lock separate. I go in and retwist each lock, and then once I retwist those locks, I go in and braid it. So go ahead, sit back, relax. One thing I would love for you to go ahead and do is press that subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press subscribe. And not only press subscribe, please go ahead and press that like button too, because it's once you press that subscribe, like, comment, and share, and then my videos can be able to get out there, and then my videos would do even better. So I most definitely need you guys' support. So if you'll do that right now, I greatly appreciate it. But again, just sit back, relax. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments, okay? And if you want to take a class with me, I'd love to be able to give you a class. I'll put all that information in the video description box. Contact me. Or if you want your hair done, please contact me as well. One thing I also want to say, when you braiding, you don't have to braid super tight. So you kind of doing kind of like not a super loose braid, but not a super tight braid, okay? And what I like to do is I put rubber bands on the end, and I only wrap that rubber band around 2 times, maybe 3 at the most, and that's very rare. Be careful with wrapping the rubber bands around the locks, because that can break them. So be very gentle and watch me, and I will come back to you guys, okay?
this is the crew. Just tell us how you can get past the security. We're not going in this way. We're going in that way. What's your own fault?
Sorry. I paid minimum wage
Okay.
plus $3 for delivery. And you split the tip with me. You start Wednesday, 11 o'clock.
Every fucking time.
What?
Get off your wallet, bud.
Yeah, I forgot my wallet today, boy. You sorry.
Again?
Yeah.
Like an alligator arm.
I sat down at blackjack with $5. Nicholas O'Brien? Yeah. I suggest you take these.
Not you been served. Get these divorce papers.
Afraid not.
His wife ain't playing.
You alright, bro? Yeah, I guess I'm getting divorced.
Heidi. Sign it, please. Keep this on you at all times. Second bay of elevators, cafeteria is level 2. Resume is good. Oh, good. He's good, let him in.
Sure?
That's me.
There you go.
She ain't getting that.
$3,000 off at an authorized John Deere dealer. A deer season that saves us. It's deer season now for June 2nd.
Shop at an at-home, you'll find decor for all for you. Like Danielle, who's about to have the sunniest spot on the block. Perfect! So however you decorate this season, you'll find it only at home. At home, decor for all for you.
See where you get your looks from.
Oh, wow, young man.
Something still on.
He's swole. Wow. Now he got the bandana in his pocket. Wow.
daughter safety and protection is my responsibility, my responsibility. And for the first time in her life, I see I gotta hand you that responsibility. Don't fuck up. Or your mama will weep and she has to wheel your ass around every day the rest of your lives. And I work on this because I want to say this to you as nice as possible. You understand? Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. How you want to you? Eh? I'm going to be like my guy. Eh? Say that. No, man. Listen. All I was trying to say is this wonderful to meet you. Donnie, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I spotted you at the gym the other day, yeah? What's up, fellas? You played football at Long Beach Poly? You look familiar. No, I'm not from around here. What you doing here, huh? Work around here? Enjoy my dinner, man. Hmm? Really? Yeah, the food here sucks. Yeah, we come here for the ass.
Oh, wow.
So I'll see you at the gym, man. Yeah. Definitely.
That's struggling.
Number 55, right? That's how I remember you. You were saying number 55, right? I went to South Lawrence. Yeah, we played you guys a couple times. Yeah, you know those fat ass Samoans. Yeah, they're big, but bad. Lazy motherfuckers. Probably all that spam.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Fucking crushed you guys. Crushed you guys when I was there. Crushed you guys when you were there. Still crushing you guys. Got family here, pal. I really appreciate you popping on. All right. All right, man. You know, was I being rude? Was I being rude? Huh? What? Hey, look, man, listen. You have a beautiful family. Okay. You. Get up. Stop. Sit down. I need you to calm down, man. Hey! Look at me. Take a deep breath. Okay. I know you already triggered the silent alarms. So I need you to pick up the phone, dial 911 dispatch, and explain the following. Go ahead and write this down. There's a 211 in progress, and we have hostages. Within 1 hour, they need to deliver $10 million in unmarked small denomination bills to this bank inside a department helicopter loaded. Look. You watching? Yep. How the hell are you gonna get out of this one? Not sure yet. You get my number from herself?